I am demonstrating an issue with the Apple AirPort Extreme base station 5th generation. A strange, buzzing, staticky, clicking noise that occurs especially when large downloads are occurring. So right now, nothing significant is downloading and you can faintly hear that sound. Now I will initiate a transfer over the network from one computer to another over the Wi-Fi, 150 megabytes. You can see that the sound diminished as soon as the transfer finished. Now I'll try a speedtest.net download. It's finished. It's very annoying. Brand new.